My message to all New Yorkers is prepare for something worse than we have seen before. Prepare to be safe.
Mayor de Blasio issued a hazardous travel advisory for Saturday and Sunday throughout the 5 boroughs, saying strong winds, heavy snow and possible flooding will make the roads too dangerous for driving. But de Blasio, who last year closed roads ahead of a storm that ended up mostly passing New York, stopped short of a full travel ban, saying, "Stay inside, don't take risks." Schools will be open on Friday and likely open Monday because by then they'll have had time to clean up the streets. However, that could change if the forecast changes. Last year, Governor Cuomo famously shut the subway system down without informing the mayor. De Blasio said this year he's in constant communication with the governor.